Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 11 perimeter and area topic. In this topic we are going to discuss chapter 11 exercise 11.3 questions. First question they says that circumference of a circle is given. Circumference of a circle is given. How much? 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius. They ask you to find the radius. Then same way they ask you to find the area of the circle also find out. Area of the circle. Circle also we want to find. Pi value consider it as 3.14. Question says that one circle is the circumference of the circle is given. Using circumference formula, radius find out. Radius getting after area of the circle find out. Area formula apply. R place R value, pi place pi value 3.14 apply and find. So we can start that one. Here circumference is given. First clue they given as a circumference of the circle. Circumference of a circle. That is given. How much? What is the formula? 2 pi r is the circumference of a circle. It is given. How much? 31.4. In formula, knowing value substitute. 2 into pi value is how much? 3.14. R value we don't know. Our aim is to find R value. Then cancellation possible, cancel. Or otherwise, 2 table 31.4 cancel. 2 table 2 1 time. 31 means 3 means 1 time 2. 3 minus 2 1. 1 and next place 11. 5 10 times 11 minus 10 become remainder 1. 1 and 4 joining time 14. So 2 table 47 times. Next remain 1 into this number means 3.14 into R is equal to 15.7. So R value how to find out? 15.7 divided by 3.14. So we want to find that. So here cancel 3.14 decimal number is there. Remove the decimal number. How to remove after decimal point? How many digits are there? 2 digits. That's why divided with 100. Any number divided with 100. Here divided with 100. Again they have a fraction. Fraction number means a reciprocal take and multiply. So 15.7 into reciprocal of that number become 100 by 340. Any number multiply with 100. What we want to do from left to right side? 2 places move. Why? Because 100 having how many zeros? 2 zeros. So left to right side 2 place. So 1 5 left to move in 1 place only. 7 only. 1 more place we require. So instead of that place 0. Divided by 314. So answer become 314. Directly this answer will getting 5 times. See 314 is multiply with the 5. How much? 5 4s are 20. 5 plus 2 7. 5 3 see 1 correctly getting. That's why we can cancel with the 5. So answer become how much? Radius become how much centimeter? 5 centimeter is the radius. Radius getting after area of the circle also they ask you to find. Next step area of the circle find out. So we can write next step. They ask you also find a radius getting after also find the area of the circle. So area of the circle. What is the formula for finding area of a circle? Pi r square is the formula. Pi place pi value is how much? 3.14. R value now we have how much? 5 square. 5 square means how many times? Right hand multiply 2 times. 25 into 5. 5 5s are how much? 25. Just you multiply. 3.14 is multiply with 25. Answer becomes 78.5. Unit represent as a centimeter, but area case it represent as a centimeter square. I hope you can understand this. Then next second question. Next question is here a circular flower bud is the circle shape of flower bud. This one is the flower bud. Circle shape flower bud. Diameter of the flower bed is given. 66 meter is the flower bed. There is a path going round that flower bed. For walking path is there. Here, walking path is here. Then thickness of that path is given. Thickness of that path is 4 meter wide. Wide means thickness of that part were given there. Question asking find the area of the path. Find the area of the path. This path area we want to find out. Area of the path, pi value take it as 3.14. In this way, this question they given. How to find out area of this much part area? How to find out? First you find out area of the flower bed. Then afterwards find out the area of the outer circle. Outer circle area and inner circle area subtraction doing time this walking path area will get in. Then first given information. Here diameter is given. Diameter of flower bed. Flower bed is our inside circle. Diameter of flower bed is given. Flower bed is equal to 66 meter. Our all formula are in form of a radius. That's why convert it to radius. Radius of flower bed find out. How to find out relation between radius and diameter? What is the relation? Radius is the half of the diameter. So half of 66 comes to be 33 meter is the radius. That means center to any point on the circle we call it as radius. This is, that means here we mark O means OA is the radius. This part how much coming? 33 meter coming. Inside circle radius will become 33. Then area of flower bed find out. Area of radius getting after area. Inside part means area only, not boundary part. Area of a flower bed find out. How to find out area? Flower bed is which shape? A circle. So area of a circle formula pi r square. Pi value is how much? 3.14. R value how much we have? 33 square. Square means 33 is how many times multiply? 2 times right hand multiply. Multiply time final answer become 3419.46 meter. Multiplication doing them this answer will be. Flower bed case complete. Next our aim is to find out area of the outer circle. Area of outer circle also same formula only pi r square only, but r how different. Outer radius to find out. Outer circle how to get? Here to here distance is 33. Then outer radius how to find out? 33 is added. This part distance is how much? This two circle distance is how much? That is given 4 width. That is equal to width of the path. So 33 is added with this 4. You will get 37 is the outer circle radius. Outer circle radius how to get? Inner circle radius is added with the width. Inner circle radius is 33. 33 is added with the width of that 2 circle. 33 plus 4 comes to be 30. Why? Because center to outside circle any point. Outside circle is this way. Any point here mark it as B means OB is the radius. OB distance how to find them? O2 up to here we know 33. Then up to this part and how to find that? They are given that is equal to the width of the path. So we can write here radius of, next step we can write it as a radius of outer circle. Outer circle equal, how to find out a inner circle? Radius of inner circle is added with the width. Inner circle radius added with the width. Inner circle radius is 33 added with the width 4. So 33 plus 4 comes to be 37 centimeter. Not centimeter, not a meter is the outer circle radius. Then find the area of the outer circle. The next step is area of outer circle. Outer circle area no change pi r square, but pi place 3.14. Radius is how much? 37. But r square is there. So 37 into 37 multiply. 37 into 37 multiplying the time 5 lakhs become 4298.66. This much meter square. Our aim is to find the area of the remaining part. This walking path area. Walking path area, how to get outer circle area is more. See, this area or this area is more. This area is outer case area is more. Outer case area is subtracted with the inner circle area. We get a walking path area will get it. So the last step is area of path is equal to outer area. Outer circle area is subtracted with the outer circle area is subtracted with the inner circle area. Outer circle area is how much? 4298.66. Subtracted with inner circle area is 3419.46. They are subtraction doing time, area of the path will getting the. So area of path become how much? 879.20 unit represent as a meter square. This is the meaning of this question. I hope you can understand the meaning of this question. Next we go through next question, third question. In third question, they says that a circular flower garden has an area, circular shape flower garden. Area is given there 314 meters. Area they given directly. Area is given. Circular garden area directly given as a 314. A sprinkle is fitting. Sprinkle means water. Sprinkle. Here they all switch on time. Water will spreading on the all side of the garden or a land. So that sprinkle is fitting on the middle of this that circular garden. For what purpose? For pouring the water. That purpose one sprinkler is keeping. Radius of the sprinkler is given. The radius become 12 meter is the radius of that sprinkler. Question asked, is it possible to here sprinkled all area of the garden? Is it possible to all area of the garden were sprinkled by the sprinkler? Sprinkled means pouring the water by the sprinkler. Yes or no? Asking them. So how to identify sprinkler area become more means we can say it is possible. So first what we want to find a garden area find out. Afterwards a sprinkle area find out. Then which area is more? Sprinkle area more means we can say it is possible to sprinkling. So first we start. Then here area already there. So your garden area need not but area of garden it is given there. You don't want to find. Equal 314 meter. Then area of a sprinkler finder. Radius is given. Radius is equal to how much? 12 meters. So area of a sprinkler find out. Area of the sprinkler. Sprinkler is equal to how to find out pi r square is the formula. Pi place a pi value consider it as a 3.14. R value 12. R square is the 12 square. Multiplying time it to become 452.16. Which value is more? 314 or 452 is more? 450. That means area of the sprinkler is greater. So area of sprinkler is greater than the area of the garden. That's why it is possible to pouring the water throughout the full area of the garden. That's why it is possible. That is the meaning of this question. Next, fourth question. Fourth question, find the circumference of inner and outer circle. Inner and the outer circle. Pi value consider it as a 3 point. Diagram is given there. Outer circle this one, inner circle small circle. Thickness is given 10 meter. Then outer radius also given, radius of outer circle 19 meter. Circumference of inner and the outer they ask to find, not area, circumference asked. So what we want to find out? Already we know outer radius, so we can start with the radius of outer circle. That part we know, that's why. How much? 19 meter. Then circumference of outer circle. Circle is circle formula, outer circle circumference formula. 2 pi r is the formula. Pi place which value? 3.14. R place 90. So multiply time, answer become how much? 119.32 will getting that much unit represent as a meter. Next, radius of inner part. Look at the diagram. Radius of inner part not given. Inner circle radius not given, but we can able to find. How to find? Outer radius is subtracted with this width of that two circle. Subtraction do it and this much part will get. Understood? Here total length is, that is 19. 19 is subtract here to here distance, how much all part, not one, so all part width is 10. Total distance is 19. 19 is subtracted with this width represent as 10. So 90 minus 10 become 9 meter is the radius. So we can write 19 is subtracted with the width, that is 10. So answer become how much radius? 9 meter is the radius. Then circumference to find out. Circumference of inner circle find out. Circumference of inner circle. Formula have no change. 2 pi r is the formula. 2 into pi place 3.14, r place 9. Multiply time it become 56.52 centimeter. This is the question. Then next question, fifth question. Fifth question they say is about how many times a wheel of radius is given, that wheel radius is given 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter. Pi value take it as 22 by 7. How many times? Here wheel is usually car wheel or cycle wheel. What is the shape of the wheel? Car or a cycle or a car wheel or a cycle wheel or a bus wheel or any wheel, considering time it is in shape of a circle. Radius of this wheel is given. Radius means center to any point on a circle, we call it as radius. How much? 28 centimeter is the radius. Then suppose we imagine this is a wheel of the cycle, means starting point here. We want to cover how much distance? 352 meter we want to cover. How to find out that? Question is how many times this wheel rotating and reach this point. Number of times. Then question asks how many times must rotate to reach this 300, up to here distance is 352 meter. Just imagine up to the rotate and how much time it will rotate, the wheel will rotate. How many times that wheel will rotating and reach the final position. Number of times asked. Number of times that wheel will rotate and reach the final position. Then so we start as our wheel means it touching a wheel rotating and it touch which part only? Boundary part only. So boundary means perimeter or a circumference or a area. A boundary part represent as a circum. So we want to find out the circumference of the wheel. Then total area is how much meter they want to rotate. That part is multiplied with the circumference of the wheel, you get a number of rotation. That is the question. How much total distance is divided with the circumference of the wheel. Why? Because wheel rotating time it touch the boundary part only, not inside boundary part only. Wheel touching the ground. That's why we want to find the circumference. So first step, we starting in which way? Yeah, radius is given. Radius of the wheel is given. How much? 28 centimeter. Then next circumference of the wheel find out. Circumference of the wheel find out. Wheel is in which shape? Circle shape. That's why circumference of a circle 2 pi r. Value substitute 2 into pi plus 22 by 7. Radius is 28. 7 table, 28 possible. 2 into 22, 44. 44 into 4 comes to be how much? 176 centimeter is the circumference of the wheel will get. Then number of rotation we want to find. But before that, convert. If you see, this unit is in which way? Total distance 352 meter. Unit is given as a meter. Here circumference of the wheel unit in which way we got? Centimeter. This value is in meter, this value is in centimeter. Both are different unit. Make it as a same unit. So 352 convert it to centimeter. How to convert? Multiply with 100. So it becomes how much? 3,35200. Okay, conversion. Then afterwards number of times rotate is equal to, that is a question, equal to total is equal to that value. This which value? Total distance is 352 into 100 or 100 multi anyway divided with the 176. Cancellation possible. Cancelling time 176 into 2 become 152. 2 into 100 become 200. So how many times we will rotate to reach this length 352 meter distance? 200 times wheel of the, here not mentioned which one, cycle or a car, just we imagine it is a wheel, cycle. So cycle wheel will rotate and reach the final position. How many times? 200 times. I hope you can understand this question. Then remaining exercise we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.